In, in our previous video, we had completed our TypeScript file and also our study UI is available. So in this video, we will create a service and integrate the APIs with our UI. To create a service, we have to open our terminal. We have to run the command nggs, then a folder that is service slash the name of the service, that is API. So nggs stands for ng generate service and the name of the service is API. As you can see that our API service is created. We have to go in the service and our API service is created. We can delete the API.service spec.ts file. This is of no use. Then in our API.service.ts file, we have to import our HTTP client. Service.ts file is ready, so we have to just save it. After that, we have to come back to our home.component.ts file. So our TypeScript file is ready. We have to just save it and let's check on the UI. It will take some time to generate the bundles. Yeah, it is generating the bundles. See that the random jokes are generating. If we click on the next button, so the jokes are changing, and there is option to select the category also. So let's say if we select the category as money, so every joke will be coming related to money only, and we can change this. So that's all about this small application. In the next tutorial, we will see all about the Angular materials. In this project, we use various Angular material like button and the drop down menu. So in the next video, we will see completely about what are the Angular materials and what are the tools they are giving for our development. Thank you guys.